When heat energy is supplied to water, the particles start moving faster. At a certain temperature, which is 100 degrees C for distilled water, a time is reached when the particles have enough energy to break free from the forces of attraction of each other. During this time, the liquid starts to change into gas. This process of changing of a liquid into its corresponding vapor state by heating at atmospheric pressure is called boiling, and the temperature at which this change takes place at atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. The boiling point of water at atmospheric pressure is 100 degrees C. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.